In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable in-app sound effects in SkyView on your iPhone. If you love stargazing but prefer a quieter experience, turning off interface sounds can make a big difference. These are the little clicks, chimes, or taps you hear when you interact with buttons and menus in the app. We'll keep background music and your device volume out of this and focus only on the app's own sound effects so you can enjoy the night sky without distractions. Start by opening the SkyView app on your iPhone. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner for the three horizontal lines. This is the toolbar menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap it to open a panel with various controls and options. If the interface fades while you're pointing the phone at the sky, just bring the phone down slightly so the toolbar stays visible, then tap the menu. Inside that menu, find the wrench icon. The wrench represents settings. Tap the wrench to open the app's settings area, where you can adjust how SkyView looks and sounds. We're heading to the audio options next. In Settings, tap the option labeled Music and Sound. This section groups everything related to the app's audio behavior. It's where you can fine-tune what you hear as you use the app. Within Music and Sound, look for the Sound Effects section. Here you'll see an option called User Interface Sounds. This controls the audible feedback you get when you tap buttons, open menus, or interact with features in SkyView. Uncheck or toggle off user interface sounds. On some devices, this appears as a switch that turns gray when it's off. On others, it may show a check mark that disappears when disabled. Either way, once it's off, those interface sounds are muted. That's it. From now on, you won't hear in-app clicks or taps while navigating SkyView. If you still hear audio, it's likely background music or another sound setting, which is separate from interface sounds. The change you just made focuses specifically on the little effects tied to your touch interactions. You can always return to the same place if you want the feedback back on. Just open the menu, tap the wrench for settings, go to music and sound, and toggle user interface sounds on again. To recap briefly, open SkyView, tap the three horizontal lines, tap the wrench icon, go to music and sound, and turn off user interface sounds under sound effects. Enjoy your peaceful, distraction-free stargazing experience.